There are moments when you suddenly realize that one day, you and your friends will take different paths. Each of you will lead your own lives, attending different universities and leaving your hometown to follow your dreams. Your friends may become distant, and you'll be unsure of when you'll meet again or create new shared experiences. Everyone will find themselves entangled in the demands and hectic nature.
Paano kung magmahal ka ng isang taong bawal mahalin sapagkat siya'y nakalaan na para sa iba?
A few moments later.
Anong masarap na kape? Di ka peling ka. Samahan mo pa ng di ka papakawalan. Mamahalin kita. I love my life because my life is you.